Starbabies, welcome back to my channel. Ew. If you hear outside noises, my brother's lifting weights like a strong guy. But I wanted to show you guys something really cool. Can you see what that is? Before you get excited, get excited. It's a big deal for me. For a gal like me who's like literally never owned Chanel anything besides samples and gifted pieces that are maybe not real, who knows? This is my first Chanel purchase. So I bought the bronzer. It's the Le Beige, I don't know how to say it. This is it. I decided to do a look with it really quick. Something super simple just so I can just show you guys my first purchase. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna do my quick everyday makeup and see if we can get back into this YouTube flow. I already have my face moisturized. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial or an in-depth video on how I do my brows, comment down below. I know I've been getting a lot of questions how I've been doing them recently, and I'd like to share that with you if you guys want to see it. So I just did my brows very light. Next, I'm going in with my Tinted Moisturizer using the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in the color Sand. It's right here. This has been my go-to, honestly, especially during these times where you really don't want to get ready. And I'm not going to front with you guys, I really haven't put on makeup. Or you probably have seen like, Lynn, what are you doing? You're lying. You've put on makeup. We follow you on Instagram. Yes, on Instagram, I put on makeup, but I take it off right afterwards. Unless like it came out nice, but usually for Instagram I do heavier makeup and it gets heavy on the skin. I'm going to use my Morphe M6 brush, by the way. So I just take it off because there's no point. I also do like agree you should get ready for yourself to feel nice. So that's what I'm doing right now. It is a big like self-esteem booster as well. Just to catch you guys up, it's almost mine and Victor's 2-year anniversary, which is exciting. I don't know what we're gonna do for that. And it's almost the 4th of July, which is kind of gross because, yeah, I don't like the 4th of July. So I'm just kind of swiping that in and it's gonna give you a nice skin-like finish. Going in with my e.l.f. Camel Concealer, which if you follow me on Instagram, you know I just started using this because of you guys. This is the shade Light Sand. I have some here that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna put it under my eye, close to the tear duct to brighten up, and about the sides of the mouth, my chin. Just gonna highlight here. Victor's the longest relationship I've ever had, which is cool because he's a cool guy. And I think I'm gonna be his longest relationship as well, so that's cute. Penny's hair is growing out, by the way, which she needs to get a haircut because I feel bad because of the heat. If any of you guys have like dogs with long hair, do you guys cut their hair for the summer and keep it short, or do you just let them be? Do you think they care? Like, does it make a difference? Because we have AC and I have a fan in my room, so it's not like it's very hot in my house. And we have a lot of trees, which keeps the house nice and cool. I don't know how I feel about my new setup, by the way. My mirror's like here, but I'm filming this way. So we'll see. Let me know if you like the setup. I haven't set my face or anything. I'm gonna use the bronzer. So it is a cream consistency. Okay, so I have this brush here. It's kind of old. I think I got it at TJ Maxx, so I'm just swirling it in there. It's good, but I think that had blush on it. I think this brush would be good too. It literally blends into my skin. It makes me look like I'm naturally like contoured. What the freak? So I'm just adding it here. You see that right there? I was afraid it was gonna be muddy. That I was afraid of. Just gonna add some on my forehead. The cool thing about this though is that you can keep adding some I don't think you can go too heavy-handed where it looks like a big orange streak. It does give you that healthy glow. This isn't gonna be a crazy contour powder like any contouring sticks. This is more of a like healthy bronzy glow type of a thing, which is what I think they market towards. I'm just gonna set my face with this Airspun powder because I just bought it as well. I'm not gonna lie, this thing kind of smells like my grandma, which is not a bad thing. And I'm just gonna set under my eyes because I crease, and my eyelids, and any place they get oily. For blush, I'm gonna be using MAC's Peachy Keen. It's funny because I thought everyone used this one, but everyone uses Peaches. Peachy Keen, I guess, is different. But Peaches is still nice. And I hope this video isn't boring to you guys. I'm sure you have a lot of other stuff you can be doing, but thanks for watching if you're watching. I just wanted to get back into the groove of filming and editing. So it takes me kind of like a minute. So I figured, why not make a video just to kind of encourage myself to film and edit, yeah. What am I saying? I don't know. Oh my gosh, mascara. For mascara, I've been using the Falsies Lash Lift and just curling my lashes. I have been taking biotin, which I've noticed a huge difference in my lashes. The Nature's Bounty biotin gummies. My hair actually feels really good after I chopped most of it off, obviously, but it does not feel like it's been bleached at all. I like this because it does actually make them longer, I feel, and it holds a curl because my lashes go straight down. See, I don't know if you could tell the difference. As I'm finishing this, I feel like this is a very boring makeup look. I already have like the Laneige, this thing, on my lips because I've been having really dry lips. But I'm just gonna add some of my favorite NYX Filler Instinct lip gloss because it's like pink and glittery. You can't even see it, but it's pink and glittery. It does tingle your lips though, which I don't really mind. I'm gonna set my face with the NYX Bear With Me. I picked this up on a whim. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. It's not bad, but I feel like all setting sprays are kind of the same. Oh, and I did get 2 samples with my Chanel purchase. Honestly, the samples are really bad because this is supposed to be mascara, but look at this. That does not. It's all over my hands because I was really excited to use it. But anyways, thanks for watching me use my Chanel bronzer for the very first time, and I hope it was interesting to you guys. I'm definitely going to be using this. It's a good summer staple piece, so if you have the money and you want to try it, I definitely recommend it. It isn't going to contour you. It isn't going to like chisel you out. It is just going to give you like some dimension for those days you don't feel like wearing makeup, or those days where you're wearing very like light, summery, beachy makeup. But for those days that you're going to be doing like heavy contour foundation and like legit foundation and concealer and all that stuff, I wouldn't recommend it. But that's just my take on this. So thank you for watching, and make sure to comment down below any other videos you want to see. I'm gonna do my brow tutorial, probably show you how I've been doing my brows lately. After that, I really don't know what else I have planned, so if you have any suggestions, make sure to leave them down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, so I'm more active as well. I'll leave them right here. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Now I gotta stop this. Stop.